They're 275 35 18 square on 18 by 10 Gimbal wheels with a 25 offset. 10 track days, 5 20-minute sessions each day, so over 50 heat cycles. And I did 1 day of autocross, and the tires still haven't corded yet. My results may be different from yours because, again, there's a lot of variables. Depends on your driving style, the track conditions, the track temperature, your alignment settings, the weight of your car, a lot of different variables. But I've gotten 10 days, over 50 heat cycles, plus an additional autocross day. And as far as lap time is concerned, they're the fastest when they're pretty new to half-life. Once they get really old, then they're not as fast. And they become about a second or 2 seconds off your fastest lap. But the tires are very consistent and very predictable. So in that 20-minute session, there's no surprises. I could hit the track and start driving pretty quickly. And then my best lap is always around towards the beginning, towards the or middle of the lap. Towards the end, they may get a little bit greasy, but they're still very predictable. It's no surprises at all. Definitely great bang for the buck. I got these for about 1,000 shipped. Now the lap times aren't the best, so that's why it's time to try something new. The RE71Rs may not be as fast, we'll see, but for 500 bucks, it's worth the try. After that, I may try something different. Alright, I just got the Bridgestone RE71R 265 35 18 mounted up. I checked the clearance left and right, turning the wheels, and the clearance to my suspension spring collar mount. And it looks very similar to my NT01s as far as the width's concerned. I won't know how these perform until a couple weeks when I go to Sonoma, so stay tuned for that video. I think if I could run close to the NT01 lap times, I'd be happy. And again, I got these for a crazy deal, 500 shipped, so worth trying out. If you're stepping up from a summer tire and you want something a little bit quicker, I highly recommend the Nitto NT01s. They're a great bang for the buck tire. I've run multiple sets for the past 5 years, so I know what they're like. And all my sets, I've gotten about 10 track days on them with 5 20-minute sessions. So again, your results may vary, but they're a great bang for the buck tire that can give you plenty of track days and plenty of heat cycles. But of course, if you want something faster, then you got to step it up to semi-slicks or true slicks. And I'm going to try the RE71Rs because I got such a crazy deal on them. They may or may not be as fast as the NT1s, but after the RE71Rs, I'm going to try something else. But for now, let's see how it goes with the RE71Rs. But if you're considering the NT01s and you want to step up from a summer tire, I highly recommend them. Great value, great bang for your buck. Can last plenty of track days and plenty of heat cycles. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.